These are the cleaning procedures for the HyFlex VersaMax. The machine can be washed down with high pressure water. However, we need to avoid high pressure water on the control boxes and any electrical connections. These are safe to be washed down, but please refrain from using high pressure water. The mixer is equipped with a cleanout, as is the hopper. The hopper cleanout is located on the front. It has an expansion plug that can be removed to clean the hopper out. So at the end of the shift, the mixer is the first item to be cleaned. The door on the bottom can be opened to allow the material to be washed out. Please check with the job site rules and regulations to properly dispose of the material. Next, we can clean the hopper by removing the expansion plug. Clean water from the mixer can be dumped into the hopper, and we can now use that water to flush the system out. In some cases, with the higher density products, the lower manifold may need to be removed daily to remove the residual material or foreign material that can accumulate in the suction side of the pump. Now that we have clean water running through the pump, we can now check the manifold discharge to make sure clean water is present at the ball valve. Once we are 100% sure everything is clean in the manifold, we can now close this valve, and you can now insert the sponge balls at the hose connection, and they can be pushed through to push out any residual material, which can be applied, and will also clean the inside of the hose out in the process. Now that the VersaMax is clean, we can now discuss travel procedures. First, the legs will have to be raised up and secured before transport. Also, ensure that the tires are inflated to the proper pressure. These units can set on the job site for multiple days at a time, and therefore the tires will need to be checked before transport. Also, the hitch, safety chains, breakaway will have to be properly fastened. There are warning decals and instructions on the frame of the VersaMax. Please read these and be familiar with all the components related to towing. Also, any loose items need to be secured before the pump can be transported.